morning students. Today we see what is accommodation of eye. What is accommodation of eye? Our eye has convex lens. An eye has convex lens. What is the accommodation of eye? First you remember that we can see an image which is kept nearby, which is far away. We can see far away object also which is nearby also. How do we see? This process is called accommodation. What is accommodation? Our lens is covered by some muscles. The muscle name is ciliary muscles. Okay. Our eye is covered by our eye is held by ciliary muscles, one type of muscle. The name is ciliary. What they do? They adjust the lens. The lens is covered by ciliary muscles. I mean it is held by, the lens of our eye is held by, what is that? Holding by ciliary muscles. Okay. What they do? The ciliary muscles, our lens is not rigid, it is flexible. How? The ciliary muscles adjust the lens, make the lens thinner, make the lens thicker. With the help of this function. This muscle function is making the lens thinner or thicker. Okay, so that with this adjustment, the focal length of the lens will be adjusted. Focal length of the lens will be adjusted with the help of ciliary muscles. This muscles makes the lens thinner or thicker. So that focal length will be adjusted. So the image will be fall on the retina very clearly. This is the way we can see the nearby object also, far away object also. Understand? If it is far away, the lens will be thicker. Okay, ciliary muscles will be adjusted such a way that we can capture the far away object. Understand? So what is accommodation of eye? It is adjustment of our lens. Our eye's lens. Our lens is what type of lens? Convex lens. So what is it? A convex lens. This lens is held by, what is it? Carried by, that means supported by the ciliary muscles. Both the cornea is surrounded by ciliary muscles. These ciliary muscles make the lens thinner and thicker because it is not a rigid, it is flexible. So such an adjustment, we can see the object, nearby object or far away object, because focal length of the lens will be adjusted with the help of this muscle. Thus we can see the image fall on the screen, which is screen retina, so that we can see the object. Second thing is persistence of eye. What is persistence of vision? What is persistence of vision means? I will tell you one activity. What is the activity means? Take a cardboard. Okay, here one bird is there. Okay, one bird is there. Imagine it is a bird. Back of the cardboard, you make a cage. One cage, make it. Okay, for one cardboard you take it. One side you paste a bird, picture of a bird. The other side you paste a picture of a cage. And make a two hole at the two corners and tie with a thread. You rotate the card. So after, now stop rotation. Don't rotate. Okay, stop it. You can see that this bird is sitting inside the cage. It seems the bird is sitting inside the cage. Why? This is because of the persistence of vision. What is persistence of vision? The image fall on the retina can be persisted, can be stayed for 1/16 of a second. Okay, that is what we could see the image such a way that the bird is sitting inside the cage. Actually, bird is the side, the other side cage is there. Well, we are rotating, very fast rotation. After a few seconds you are stopping, then what happened? We can see that it is stopped. But you can see that the bird is sitting inside the cage. This is because of persistence of image in the eye, that is retina. Retina catch an image. What happened? The image will be persistent. Image will be stayed for 1/16 of a second. This is the reason we could see that a bird is sitting inside the cage. Understand? This process is called persistence of vision. Next question is defects of image. Defects of vision. You know, some are short-sightedness, some are long-sightedness. What is short-sightedness? We can see only nearby object. What is long-sightedness? A person who can see long distance object. Nearby object they cannot see. This process is called myopia. And this is myopia is a term for short-sightedness. The other name of short-sightedness is myopia. Okay. Next one is hypermetropia. Which is of long-sightedness. Okay. Short-sightedness we can say the myopia, the defect of vision. That means the person who can see only nearby object. That is, disease is called myopia, and the one who can see only long distance object. Such a defect is called hypermetropia. Okay. The other name is short-sightedness or myopia, long-sightedness or hypermetropia. Such a type of defect on eye. How can we correct such type of defects? Here for short-sightedness we have to use concave lens. Okay, this person can use concave lens. Okay, lens, you know what is lens or spectacle we can use. By using this it can be corrected. And this defect, hypermetropia, how with this defect can be corrected? By using convex lens. Okay, there are two defects on eye, that is myopia or hypermetropia. Myopia person can see only nearby object. Hypermetropia can be seen only far away object. How can be corrected? By using concave lens. Those who are suffering from this myopia, and this person can be corrected by using convex lens. Clear? The next topic is Braille. What is Braille? This name is, you know, everybody familiar with the word. Those who are having blind, those who are blind, those persons can read with the help of this system, Braille system. It is named after the person Braille, one who lost his vision when he was small itself. During accident, at the time of accident, he lost his vision. So he used the system, Braille system. What is this Braille? It is a system on a slate. It is a specified slate. Okay, specified, that means it is meant for only blind people. This slate has some dots. Okay, with the help of dots they will learn letters. This dot means L. Okay, and if this the dot is means I. If the dot is this means C. Like the different letters they learn with the help of dot. Okay, this system is called Braille system. It helps for those people. That means the eye defect people. They use this system. Understand? Next one is care. How do you take care of your eyes? This everybody know. What is the step you take for keeping your eyes safe? Don't rub the eye. Okay, clean your eyes with water very frequently. Then what are the steps you take? And if anything happen, you have to go for consulting the doctor. Okay, then you have to eat the raw carrot. Because if there is deficiency A in your body, you will have the disease called night blindness. What is that? Night blindness. This person cannot see, only they can see the particular type, okay, because of lack of vitamin A in their body, night blindness. Night time they cannot see. Okay, as soon as 6 o'clock, what they do, they have to remain at home. They cannot see the outside things. They cannot visualize the object. So, because of what? Because of deficiency of vitamin A, this disease causes. So, what do you do? Overcome? How do you overcome with this all disease? Eating raw vegetables like raw carrot and egg. Okay, leafy vegetables, spinach, egg, milk. By eating this all, you can overcome with this disease. Okay, that's all. So, what did you study first? Accommodation. What is accommodation? Accommodation of eye means, okay, our eye lens is convex lens. It is held by, who is that? Ciliary muscles. Okay, how do we see far away and nearby object? This focal length of the lens will be adjusted with the help of ciliary muscles, so that we can see the object which is near or which is far away. And what is the second topic? Persistence of eye. I told you the image which fall on the retina can be persisted 1/16 of a second, so that we can see the object. I told you one activity. What is that? One cardboard, you paste on one side bird, the other side cage. Keep on rotating. Now stop rotating. It seems the cage, the bird is sitting inside a cage. This is because of persistency of the image. Okay, vision in the image. Next one is defects. There are and cataract, the defect of vision. There is, we study two type of defect. What are they? Night blindness we have studied, and myopia, hypermetropia. One more thing, cataract. This is one of the defects. What is the cataract? This is the foggy on the lens when as we aged people. Most of the people, cataract people is aged people, because as time passes, the lens become foggy. Lens become opaque. It cannot catch the image. So what they do? Doctor do surgery. Surgically we can remove. Doctor do slight surgery so that it will be clear. Otherwise people use artificial lens. Understand? These are the defects. What are the defects? Myopia, hypermetropia, and what is that? Cataract. Okay, these are the cataract means the eye lens become foggy. That is opaque. Opaque means we cannot see the things. In that case, surgically we can remove, or we can use the artificial lens. And next, myopia. How will you come over by myopia disease? Defect, myopia defect can be come over by, what is that? By using concave lens. Hypermetropia, how will you come over the defect? It can be corrected by, this defect can be corrected by using convex lens. Hypermetropia. Next one is Braille. Braille is a system only for blind people. Some letters are made over the slate, particular specialized slate, and with the help of this dot, they could recognize the letters. And the last one is how do you take care of your eyes, which is most important for our body. Eye is most important, so you have to take care of the eye. Don't rub unnecessarily. Clean your eye now frequently, most frequently clean with water, clean water. And in case any defect serious, you just immediately approach the doctor. And what is the minimum size to see the object? Minimum 25 centimeter you have to keep the books away from you. That is a minimum distance. Okay, you have to keep the things away from you. If you want to read the book, you have to keep 20 centimeter, 25 centimeter away. 25 centimeter away. This is a minimum distance. Okay, otherwise it will be soon, it become defective. The vision will be arise, some problem will be arise in the vision. So minimum distance should be between you and object should be, what is that? 25 centimeter. And running bus, don't read. Okay, dim light. Under dim light, don't read. Or bright light, don't see the direct light. Sunlight, don't see directly. Sun don't see directly. Okay, these are the ways we have to protect our eyes from the, what is the defects. Understand? That's all. Thank you.